Doing well. My name is Noman and you're watching Stay with Nomi. So in this video I will teach you how you add a shipment method in WordPress website. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. So without wasting further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to click on WooCommerce and here you can see setting. Click on setting. Now you can see shipping. Click on shipping and now you can see add zone. First of all, you need to create a zone where you want to sell your products. So first of all, you need to click on add zone. So now here you can see zone name Pakistan and now you can see zone regions. So you add a region of your zone. I just add a Pakistan. So I add Pakistan. You can also select multiple countries, multiple cities. If you want to sell a product in Europe, you need to just click on Europe selection, right? Here you can select Europe and here you can see Pakistan and Europe. I just need to add Pakistan, so I just remove Europe, right? And now you can see add shipping method. Click on it. Now you can see free shipping, right? If you want to add a free shipping in your WordPress website, you need to just click on free shipping and continue, right? I just tell you both how you add a shipping. So here you can see free shipping and you can see a valid free shipping coupon, right? If you want to add a coupon, so you can just add a free coupon and create and save, right? And the second method is a minimum order amount. If you want to add a free shipping, the minimum amount of $100, you just need to click on order amount, right? And here you can see you can add a price of your minimum order amount, right? And the third is a minimum order amount or coupon, right? You can add both of them also, right? Here you can see a minimum order amount and coupon. So you need to add these both and I just add a free shipping. I just add a free shipping order amount, right? I just add a 2000 and create and save, that you can see. And here I just add a free shipping and now I add a flat rate and just click on flat rate, click on continue and now you can see flat rate. I just remove that and add shipping delivery, right? And here you can see you can also add a taxable or non-taxable, right? I just used non-taxable. And here you add a cost of your shipment. I just add 300 and you can also add a cost, class cost. I don't need that, so I just add a create and save. So now you can see free shipping and shipping delivery is set now. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification.